In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter an Aijo coupon code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open a web browser and head on over to aijo.com. Now from here, we pretty much just need to get to the checkout section. So I'm just going to add a random product into my shopping cart. So I'm going to choose these Puma boots. I'm going to add these ones here. Now I'm going to add these to my bag. And then I want to go to my shopping bag. So click on go to shopping bag. And now we're on the checkout page here. So we've got another set of boots. I'm going to delete them like that. And then on the right hand side, we've got order details. Under that, we've got proceed to shipping. But before you proceed to shipping, you want to apply that coupon code. So in this field here, apply the coupon code, click apply. If it's 10% off or 20% off, it's going to take that off this order details, order total, and then click on proceed to shipping and continue your purchase as per normal.